Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow players to trade you in fish eats. So if you've been getting the trade request disable messages, don't worry, it's just a quick setting you need to tool. So let's get you ready to make some deals. So first, you just need to find the in-game menu, the in-game settings. You can just click on the gear icon at the top, and here you'll see the fish eat settings. And if you scroll down in the gameplay settings, there will be this receive trades options. So when you turn this on, or when you toggle it into green like this, then it means that you allow other players to trade with you. But if you don't want to, you can just click on this again until it turns red like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.